Bangladesh, total aircraft 204. Sri Lanka, total aircraft 86. Bangladesh, fighter aircraft 44. Sri Lanka, fighter aircraft 5. Bangladesh, dedicated attack aircraft 0. Sri Lanka, dedicated attack aircraft 0. Bangladesh, transports aircraft 17. Sri Lanka, transports aircraft 17. Bangladesh, trainers aircraft 75. Sri Lanka, trainers aircraft 6. Bangladesh, special mission aircraft 3. Sri Lanka, special mission aircraft 2. Bangladesh, aerial tankers 0. Sri Lanka, aerial tankers 0. Bangladesh, helicopters 65. Sri Lanka, helicopters 56. Bangladesh, attack helicopters 0. Sri Lanka, attack helicopters 9. Bangladesh, tank strength 281. Sri Lanka, tank strength 182. Bangladesh, armored vehicles 13,100. Sri Lanka, armored vehicles 7,588. Bangladesh, self-propelled artillery 30. Sri Lanka, self-propelled artillery 0. Bangladesh, towed artillery 370. Sri Lanka, towed artillery 234. Bangladesh, mobile rocket projectors 70. Sri Lanka, mobile rocket projectors 22. Bangladesh, Navy fleet strength 112. Sri Lanka, Navy fleet strength 275. Bangladesh, aircraft carriers 0. Sri Lanka, aircraft carriers 0. Bangladesh, helicopter carriers 0. Sri Lanka, helicopter carriers 0. Bangladesh, submarines 2. Sri Lanka, submarines 0. Bangladesh, destroyers 0. Sri Lanka, destroyers 0. Bangladesh, frigates 7. Sri Lanka, frigates 5. Bangladesh, corvettes 6. Sri Lanka, corvettes 0. Bangladesh, patrol vessels 30. Sri Lanka, patrol vessels 59. Bangladesh, mine warfare 5. Sri Lanka, mine warfare 0. Bangladesh, reaching military age annually 3,147,359. Sri Lanka, reaching military age annually 324,625. Bangladesh, active personnel 165,000. Sri Lanka, active personnel 250,000. Bangladesh, reserve personnel 0. Sri Lanka, reserve personnel 5,500. Bangladesh, paramilitary forces 6,800,000. Sri Lanka, paramilitary forces 11,000. Bangladesh, total population 165,650,475. Sri Lanka, total population 23,187,516.